When I was 12 years old, I went from being a really active kid to not being able to get out of bed. I missed nearly all of middle school, and in the years that followed, I bounced from doctor to doctor trying to find answers. It took me 7 years to get my first diagnosis of ankylosing spondylitis, and through that process, I learned that the healthcare system is very difficult to navigate, and unless you are fighting for yourself, you're not going to get the care that you deserve. And that fight is what led me here to becoming a board certified patient advocate and launching Chronically Advocating. And my story didn't end with that first diagnosis. I ended up acquiring a couple more chronic illness diagnoses as well as rare diseases. And throughout that, I had to fight my insurance company the whole way. I learned the language of medical appeals, physician jargon, how to navigate my medical plan in order to get the care that I needed and the prescriptions that I needed. And because of that, I became the person that everybody started to come to. Family, friends asking about their health plans, how they can get in to see this particular physician, how they can get the care that they deserve. And I just became a wealth of knowledge and information because I had gone through it myself. I was the one that understood the fine print. And then one day I realized that there's a ton of other people out there that are dealing with exactly the same issues that I am. And I have this breadth of knowledge that I could potentially share in order to help them navigate the system without as many barriers as I faced having to learn it alone. That's when I decided to turn all of this experience that I've gone through into a career. So that is my big, fantastic news that Chronically Advocating is finally launching, and I will be available to you to answer any of your questions in relation to your patient journey.